Hey, what up guys? So welcome back to the 9th video of Ultimate Beginner's Guide to Forex Trading, and in today's video we will be looking into the order management in Forex. Alright, so guys, what is order management? Right, so order management is two simple terms that you could actually understand. First is placing your orders and managing it. Okay, so the order management is actually a very important section that you should know before coming into Forex trading, because this order management, the order placements, is actually determining your placement into these particular trades that you're going to place. Okay, so moving into the video, we will be looking into what is market execution, what is limit order, and what is stop order. Okay guys, so in the types, these are the three types of order. There is no other orders than this, right? So these are the three types of orders in a trading platform. Okay, so this is actually a screenshot from the MetaTrader platform. Okay, MetaTrader 4 to be exact. Okay, so what is okay, before going further, right, before moving further, all right, so I would like to explain to you what is MetaTrader 4. Okay, MetaTrader 4 is a trading application, okay, which is available in Mac, iOS, Apple Store, Google Play Store, and every possible place that you could see. Okay, but some Mac you will not be able to use MetaTrader 4, guys. So those who are using MacBook or iMac, all right, so you will not be able to use, but it is available on App Store. You can use it in your iPad or your iPhone. All right, so for the Windows users and also Android users, guys, by all means, please go ahead, because it's available for you guys everywhere. Okay, so MetaTrader 4 is just a platform for you to trade. All right, so you may register with any brokers around the world. Okay, so as long as these brokers allow you to trade with MetaTrader 4, all right, so you can actually connect or link your broker to the MetaTrader 4 app. And MetaTrader is actually one of the most easiest, simplest, and also the most basic app that you guys can use. Okay, because why I say this is because every technical analysis that you're going to plot in, and the order placement and your order management, everything is actually very user friendly, and it is very simple and for you guys to see. Okay, so if you, before you place an order in MetaTrader 4, right, so these are the 4 different types of orders that you can see. Okay, market execution is first thing first, like I mentioned. Okay, buy limit and sell limit over here falls under the limit order. All right, and also the buy stop and sell stop falls under the stop order. Okay, so let's go and look into the market execution. All right, so market execution means you buy or sell instantly according to the market price. Okay, like I said, yeah, the current market price. Okay, so it's an immediate entry to the trade. You do not have to wait for the price to pull back, or the price to have a breakout or whatsoever. You place your trade immediately. Okay, so an example is that, okay, so let's say you are buying Euro USD, okay, and the market price is about 2.9308, okay, and this is your price movement, the current market price. So you place a buy position instantly at the market price. So your trade will be entered at 2.9308 buy. Okay, so for the sell position, all right, so it's going to be, I'm going to use the same price. Okay, so you will place your sell position instantly at the market price. So your platform there, your MetaTrader platform, will be showing that sell at 2.9308. Okay guys, so this is an instant order. Okay, so let's look into limit order. So limit order is actually buy or sell limit, like I showed you earlier. All right, so you buy or sell when the price pulls back. Okay, some of you may want to wait until the price comes down a little bit, and you place your order at that particular price, so that you could make some extra profit maybe. All right, so you get to place your order at your desired price, like I said. Okay, so this is an example when you gonna use your buy limit. Okay, so you place your buy position when the price pulls back lower. Okay, so this blue line over here is where you are gonna place your buy position, which is your buy limit position. Okay, so now let's say the price is currently at 2.9308, right? So if the price goes up, your trade right here will not be active. But let's say there's a change in the price movement and the price comes down. Okay, let's say probably about this is quite a little bit, so let's put about 2.9299. Okay, and that is where you place your buy limit. So that will be when the price reaches to that desired price, your trade will be active. Same goes to sell limit. All right, so you place your sell position when the price pulls back lower. Okay, so there's a small mistake over there, right? So I'll correct it in the comment section below, guys. Okay, so let's say for an example, you want to place a sell position and you want to place a sell limit. So the price right now is 2.9308. Okay, so this is a little bit up. Let's say 2.9320. Okay, and you place your sell limit over there, and once the price reaches at 2.9320, your trade will be active. Okay, so moving on to stop order. What is stop order? All right, so it is buy or sell stop. Okay, so you can buy or sell when the market moves in your favor, which is breakouts. So those traders who trade breakouts, right? So this is something that will be super useful for you guys. Okay, so you get to place your trade at your desired price. Okay, so this is an example. Okay, so you place your buy position when the price breakout. Okay, so you predict based on your technical analysis, you may predict that the price may break out at 2.9320. Then boom. Just hold on, guys. To boom. So you place your buy order up there. All right, so that when the price hits 2.9320, your trade will be active. Okay, so sell stop. Okay, let's say for an example, you place your sell position when the price breakouts. So you wait for the price breakout, and if you use my technique, I'll wait for the breakout and then pull back. All right, so you place your entry at the price lower than the market price. So guys, with that being said, let's do a quick recap of today's video. The market execution means instant buy or instant sell. Buy or sell at a market price. Okay, and a limit order is actually buy or sell limit, and you buy or sell at a pullback price. And stop order is actually buy or sell stop, and you buy or sell at a breakout price. Okay, so what are the order types? Okay, so this is a simplified version. Yeah, so when you buy, if the price moves upwards, you gain profit. When you buy, if the price moves downwards, you are losing. All right, so when you sell and the price goes downwards, you make a profit. All right, and if you sell and the price moves upwards, you are making a loss. All right, so guys, I hope you understand this video. And with that being said, we have come to the end of this video. And if you guys have any questions, please do drop down at the comment section below, and I will be able to answer every single one of you, or at least I will try to answer every single one of you. And do talk to us at Instagram and Facebook using Virgin Virtue. You can use the same spelling that you can see in the video. And thank you guys. Have a good day.